So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add the Humanizer skill in Claude. For this, I'm going to show you, this skill in Claude, its responses are much more humanized and don't have that robotic tone characteristic of artificial intelligence answers. So to get started, we are going to open our browser and search for Claude Humanizer skill. On the first page, we are going to see the GitHub repository page, so it will appear here. This is the one we are going to use now. We will head over to the button that says code. So we are going to click on the arrow and download the zip file. Once the zip is downloaded, we will go to our cloud account and open the settings section. Then we will go to the section that says skills under the personalized tab. Here we'll click on add and then select to upload a skill. From our on downloads folder, we will drag the zip file we just downloaded from the GitHub repository and drag it over and upload it there. Once uploaded, we can see that Humanizer appears here. This means the skill has been successfully uploaded from the zip. Remember that for this to work, the zip must contain a file named skill. Here you can see some of the specifications for these skills, and to use it, you just need to keep this toggle switch on. And that's it. Now, every time you send in a prompt, whether for writing or questions, its response will be more humanized thanks to this skill.